morning, everybody. Hi, hi, hi. I wanted to come to you before I went to work this morning with a idea that I've been thinking about. Many of you guys have heard that I have a daughter who is a Texan, and she's into the Southwest style. She's a cowgirl, and so I want to do a jewelry collection in her honor because I love her very much, and I love my grandsons who are Texans as well. And I want to start this southwest line. Okay, so there'll be turquoise, there'll be coral, there'll be, all the things that go with to make it this jewelry collection. And I'm going to actually show you some of the stuff that I've been collecting so far, and I will continue to collect more for this collection. How many times have I said collect and collection? Count those. Anyway, um, what I need from you, the help that I need from you is to help me name it, right? So if you'll watch the video till the end, look at some of the turquoise and such that I have collected. You might even name a favorite piece that you see here today, and then also help me name the collection, right? So I've been thinking of names. I'm not quite sure what I want to name it, but if you'll put in the comments some names, some potential names, that would be great. By putting a name in the comments, you will be entering into a drawing to get a free pair of earrings that will come from the collection. Okay. You will see some of the turquoise that's going to be in there. I got a couple pieces of coral that I'll show today, some other things. I've got some really great silver in the collection that might be in there. So I just want you to take a moment, watch the video, comment at the bottom what was your favorite piece that I'm going to show today because I got more stuff coming. So look at what I'm showing you today. Tell me what your favorite was. And then to enter into the drawing, the giveaway of the earrings, then help me, put a name in there, potential name down there for the jewelry collection. And my daughter's name is Brittany, so you might even consider using her name too. That might be helpful. Everybody who comments has a chance to win. Okay. And then everybody should be a subscriber in order to win. Okay. With that, I will go ahead and move the camera down. I'll show you some of the stuff that I've gotten. I do have more coming that I may show at a later date, but maybe during that time I'll be making jewelry or something like that. But right now I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I have. I'm not going to show you everything, but some of the stuff that I have, which you can expect to be in some of the jewelry. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I've started collecting turquoise for quite a while. I actually started collecting several months ago. I've placed orders with like Dakota Stones and the Bead Traders and things like that, and started to collect some turquoise. Well, this is some of the turquoise that I've collected. Some of it's also from the gem show that I went to a couple weeks ago. So, for instance, what you see here at the top, this is what I got from the gem show that I went to a couple weeks ago in Costa Mesa. So this is Hubai turquoise here, what you're seeing here. You got some nice large chunky cubes here that I got, some 8mm rounds here and some tumbled nuggets here. This here, though it is not turquoise, happened to come as a free gift as part of this order. And this is an order that I received recently when I went onto a live sale with the Arizona Bead Company, and a beautiful lady there named Becky did a live sale. So I got all of this turquoise with her, and I actually have two orders. My other order is coming. This is the one I got from Becky. This is beautiful, isn't it? What I like about these is I like the peanut looking ones. I like these really tiny nuggets. These I think are just so yummy. These are like little 5 and 6 millimeter tumbled smooth nuggets. These are 6 millimeter rounds. These ones are sticks, and these ones are really beautiful. They have some really deep, rich colors in them. They're beautiful. This was a free gift from her, and it's very nice. It looks like a black web jasper. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but that's what it kind of looks like to me. You can see that. This one that I got from the gem show, I really like. It has some deep greens in it and some beautiful browns in it. Very beautiful. Okay, this right here, okay, that is actually what you call, let me tell you the name of this. This one is called, sorry, Castle Dome turquoise. That's an Arizona turquoise. Okay. This is Hubei turquoise. This comes from China. This is Chinese turquoise. This is Campitos turquoise. Comes from Mexico. Okay. So that's some of it. I've also got more turquoise here that I've been collecting. I'm going to open some containers. I've been getting turquoise from Dakota Stones. So this one is the Hubei turquoise. Also a Hubei. This is some chip beads. Okay. This is a beautiful strand as well. These are 8 millimeter. This is a triple A strand, but this is actually African turquoise, but it's a triple A. I got this one from Dakota Stones. And we know that African turquoise is really a jasper, but it's really beautiful. This is also African turquoise. These are faceted rondelles. Look how shiny they are. Okay. This one here is an African turquoise, but they're coin beads. Beautiful, aren't they? Okay, so this is some of the turquoise that I have been collecting for a while now. Okay, this one is Elise turquoise. It's really pretty. It's a pebble, and these are 5 to 6. Aren't those beautiful? And I want you to know that turquoise is a very expensive gemstone. Okay, so it's not cheap by any stretch. Okay, to make this collection. So when you enter into this contest, know that you are going to be getting some good quality turquoise that I have treated as an investment. Okay, so what I won't have in the free earrings is I won't have any of the magnesite or the howlite. I will just be using turquoise, either one of the turquoises or even the African turquoise. Here are some, these are ovals. Here are some more coins, different shade, right? Beautiful. These ones are Hubei turquoise. This is also Hubei turquoise. This is a graduated strand of turquoise. I'm going to show you here. I've got some cubes in here. Some little tiny turquoise here. So just giving you an idea of what you might even find in the free pair of earrings that you're going to get. I have the name, the Turquoise collection. These are awesome. They're little bike cones. And I'm showing you those because I do want you to watch, and I want you to tell me what your favorite is. These ones are little squares. Okay. I'm not showing you everything, but I'm showing you quite a bit. Let me know what your favorite is, okay? Now, some of the other gemstones that might be, see, this is some Kingsman turquoise, other stones, okay, are some of these. Isn't that beautiful? So you might see some of these appearing in the turquoise pieces. This is what you call wild horse. It's beautiful, isn't it? This is more turquoise. This is a turquoise, lapis, and spiny oyster mix. So are these. This one is also wild horse. Wild horse, and this one is the Kingsman. That is a spiny oyster by Kingsman. Spiny oyster, wild horse. The beauty about this wild horse is that it has more rich browns in it. It's really pretty. Okay. This right here that you see is called blue jasper. Beautiful. Let me show you this one. They're really small, but they're beautiful. And they're graduated blue jasper. You can't really see all the blue in there, but it's got really beautiful blues in there. Okay. This is called a rare Palomino veracite. These are really, really pretty. They're different. They're different. They're very pretty, right? So you see that. And this is called a Caribbean blue opal. That's what that is. Okay. So that's some of the gemstones that might be in some of the jewelry, maybe even in a pair of earrings. And then you'll see I have strands like this, which is a spiny oyster. Right? You'll see strands like this, which I love a whole lot. This is called wild buffalo. Okay. You might see something like this. This is a mosaic piece that has different shells and other gemstones in it, like ruby and onyx and abalone and spiny oyster. Or you might see even a piece that has turquoise in it, genuine turquoise in it, and a gold electroplate on the outside. Very pricey, actually. You might see some coral, some beautiful coral in there, right? Doesn't that go nicely with the turquoise coral? Yeah. And then this is also some coral that you might see in there with it. I want to bring in some like pinks and other colors as well. I just recently bought some gel beads, and I don't know, you might even see some of these in there. Maybe. These are some shell beads that I purchased. Okay, so just showing you a little bit of the haul and the collection that I'm starting to get. There is more to come. I have another order coming in that I actually did last week from the Arizona Bead Company with Becky. So the first order I did with Becky, I did at the beginning of the month, um, May 5th or something like that. But I did another one a week ago, and I got some really um, good pieces that are coming from there. Some rondelles are coming, some um, uh, he, she, be, so that sort of stuff. I've got more stuff coming from her. So you could see any of that in the pair of earrings that are going to be the winning prize. But in the meantime, if you'll just watch the video, go through, look, tell me what your favorite piece is in the comments, and the person who helps me with names will get entered into the drawing. And then I'll come back and do a drawing. I'm going to leave it open for about a week. So once this video goes up, then I'll put in the video in the description the time in which you need to watch the video and enter by that time. And then those folks who enter after that time, thank you so much for entering. But I'm going to try to get people who have entered by the certain uh, deadline, and then I'll go ahead and do the drawing on another video, which I will actually do on the live. I'll do another video live showing who's actually winning, and then the winner I will announce, and I will also announce the name of my jewelry collection in honor of my daughter Brittany. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm going to work now. While I'm gone, you make something beautiful. Okay. Bye for now.